I'm trying this.
Huh. I don't want to lick my lips because I don't like honey.
It could get in your mouth. Yeah, that sounds dirty.
Ugh. Now what?
Now just like.
Ew.
Now let's go. Fun, fun.
I don't know why I'm doing this.
Ewy.
Hey, the sugar's making it taste better.
Exactly. Don't mind our dirty dishes, by the way.
I see no difference in my lips.
Really?
Really?
Were your lips dry before?
Yes.
Anyways. It works.